2019 Volvo S60 sneak top, starting with Volvo's president. Taking after those V60 wagons' initial uncover when the Geneva show, we notwithstanding get a sneak top during its vehicle sibling, those S60. What's more, it goes on us cordiality about Volvo's president Hakan Samuelsson. He presented an photograph of a model for slim cover for Twitter. Unsurprisingly, those auto takes a gander virtually indistinguishable twin of the wagon Versify, starting with those front. It need the same low, square-shouldered nose, and also the smooth headlights that augment the handle of the Thor's hammer daytime running lights to the grille. We would let that this may be an vehicle in light of those top begin slanting down in those back door, inasmuch as on the wagon it might keep its honestly even trajectory some time more. Since the V60 wagon need as of now been revealed, we suspect we'll see those vehicle indicated to simply a couple months toward the most, particularly since Samuelsson says in the tweet it begins generation done in South Carolina after the fact not long from now. It will inclined characteristic those same choice for engines, likewise the wagon, which in the what's to come for US will incorporate an 250 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder with front drive, what's more an 316 horsepower supercharged what's more turbocharged 4-cylinder with all-wheel drive. A T8 plug-in mixture Versify will prone take after with what added up to 390 horsepower between the twin charged motor and the electric engine.